welcome back to my vlog. So today's video is going to be really special because I'm not reviewing food from a restaurant or a cafe. I'm reviewing homemade siomay made by mom. And honestly, homemade food always feels different, right? It's warmer, more comforting, and usually made with a lot of love. So, I'm really excited for this. Okay, let me show you the siomay first. Look at this. It actually looks really good. We have the siomay, some vegetables, potato, tofu, and of course the peanut sauce. I feel like peanut sauce is one of the most important parts of siomay because it gives so much flavor. The smell is amazing too. I can smell the peanut sauce immediately and it smells savory and slightly sweet at the same time. Alright, before I taste it, let me just appreciate how nice this looks. The sauce is covering evenly and there's also a little bit of chili sauce on top. I already know this is going to be delicious. Okay, let's try the siomay first. Okay, wow. The texture is really soft and tender. Sometimes siomay can be too hard or too chewy, but this one is really balanced. It's soft but it still has a nice bite to it. And the flavor is so good, I can taste the seasoning clearly. But it's not too salty. It tastes homemade in the best way possible. Now, let's talk about the peanut sauce. Because honestly, the sauce is amazing. The sauce is creamy, nutty, and slightly sweet. But there's also a little spicy kick at the end, which makes it even better. I think the sauce really brings everything together. One thing I like about homemade food is that it doesn't taste too artificial. Sometimes store-bought food can taste too strong or too oily, but homemade food feels lighter and more comforting. Okay, now I'm going to try the potato. The potato is really soft, and when you eat it with the peanut sauce, it tastes super comforting. It's simple but really satisfying. Now the tofu. The tofu absorbs the sauce really well, so every bite is flavorful. I love how the outside is slightly firm but the inside stays soft. Honestly, every part of the siomay works so well together. And you know what? Eating homemade food like this reminds me of relaxing at home with family. It gives that cozy feeling that restaurant food sometimes can replace. Okay, let me take another bite of siomay because it's seriously so good. I also like that the sauce isn't too thick. Some peanut sauce can feel too heavy, but this one feels balanced. So it doesn't make me feel overwhelmed. And I think the spice level is perfect too. Not too spicy, but still enough to make the flavor more exciting. If I had to compare this to Xiaomi sold outside, honestly, this homemade one feels more comforting and fresher. Maybe restaurant Xiaomi sometimes looks fancier, but homemade Xiaomi has that special feeling because it's made by someone who cares about you. Okay, let's rate it. For appearance, I give it an 8 out of 10. It looks simple but very appetizing. For texture, definitely a 9 out of 10. Everything is soft and cooked really well. For flavor, honestly, I want to give it a 10 out of 10. The seasoning and sauce are just so good together. And for overall experience, definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. Not only because it tastes delicious, but also because it's homemade by my mom, which makes it even more special. I feel like food made by parents always is a different kind of comfort. Even simple dish can taste amazing because they are made with love and care. And honestly, I think homemade food deserves more appreciation. Sometimes we get too excited about trendy food outside, but food at home can be just as good or even better. Okay, guys, I'm seriously getting full right now, but I still want to keep eating this because it's really delicious. I think after this video, I'm definitely going to finish the whole plate. Alright guys, that is for today's vlog. Today I review my mom's homemade siomai and honestly I love it. Soft texture, delicious peanut sauce, comforting flavor, everything was amazing. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.